Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we delve into the captivating world of play-based learning. Play-based learning is a revolutionary teaching approach that harnesses the natural curiosity and imagination of children. By incorporating play into educational activities, we create a dynamic learning environment that encourages active engagement, exploration, and problem solving. It sparks joy and deepens children's understanding of various concepts, making it an effective alternative to traditional methods. Let's talk about the benefits of play-based learning. The benefits of play-based learning are really inspiring. Firstly, it fosters creativity as children are encouraged to think outside the box, experiment, and invent new ideas. Secondly, it promotes social development as kids learn to collaborate, negotiate, and communicate effectively with their peers. Furthermore, play-based learning cultivates critical thinking skills, allowing students to tackle challenges and boosting their confidence and independence. Now let's explore how play-based learning can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. In mathematics, for example, basic counting skills can be honed through fun activities such as counting and sorting colorful objects, turning a simple core into an interactive learning experience. In science, children can embark on nature walks, exploring the outdoors and documenting their findings, nurturing a lifelong love for the environment. Let's discuss some established and verified methods to implement play-based learning in your classroom. Number 1. Role-playing. Children engage in imaginative play where they take on different roles and act out scenarios. Number 2. Building with blocks. Children use blocks to construct structures, encouraging creativity, problem solving, and construction awareness. Number 3. Pretend play. Children engage in imaginative play where they create make-believe scenarios and use props to act them out. Number 4. Sensory play. Children explore different textures, materials, and sensory experiences through activities like sand play, water play, or playing with play doh. Number 5. Outdoor play. Children engage in physical activities such as running, jumping, climbing, and playing games outdoors. Number 6. Constructive play. Children use materials like Legos, puzzles, or building sets to create and construct objects. This type of play enhances problem-solving skills, real-life reasoning, and logical thinking. And finally, number 7. Artistic play. Children engage in various art activities such as drawing, painting, sculpting, or crafting. It's astounding how play-based learning allows children to blossom academically, socially, and emotionally. This approach has the power to revolutionize education, offering children a holistic learning experience that ignites their passion and curiosity. By harnessing the limitless potential of play, we can shape a future generation of confident, creative, and adaptable individuals. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.